In this tutorial, I wanted to spend a few minutes talking about the today function in Microsoft Excel. Now, the today function is extremely easy to use because all you have to do is to equals today, tab, open and close parentheses. There's no specific arguments for this function, and press enter, and you have today's date. Now, one of the beauties of this function though is it's extremely easy to use, but also it allows you to do things based on the current day that you're in, which right now is November 9th, 2024. So for example, let's just say you have invoices that are due. You want to see how many days you have left to pay on them, if any. So you can do the due date minus today to quickly calculate. I'm gonna change it to number format. How much time you have left? So as you can see, based on today's date, this one invoice right here is 95 days past due per se. And you can go down, you can copy paste this down. Your dates. And you can even add some if logic there and say, for example, if the days left is less than 0, then it's past due, and do various calculations and summaries based on that as you would like to. Again, show that later tutorial for sure. Another great thing too is, for example, let's say you do like monthly reporting. You can have like report month, and then you can use the month function, which just basically returns the end of the month that of the date that you passed in. You have start date be today, and you want it to be from the month before plus 1. So month, the end of the month of today minus 1, so it's the end of the previous month plus 1, which gets to the first of the month that you're in right now. Going to make this a date format right here. As you can see, it will automatically update the report month based on the date they're in right now. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.